Rawere mawuok e kaunti ma Narok onyiso mor margi kotenore kod tiegruok ma giyudo e bwo chenro ma Nyota ma ichwalo kod piny owacho. Rawerego yudo tiegruok e yore mag chako ohala, kungo omenda kod bero ohala, chal mabiro konyogi e bende e chwalo ngimagi, ahinya to mago mosebedo maonge tije. Jogo matayo chenro ma kamano owacho ni chenro mag tiegruok biro konyo rowere tiyo matek kendo were gi weche mag tiyo gi omenda e ng'iewo yedhe mamero ji.
Within the county of Narok, we have trained over 1,000 youth in the business development component, and what we have seen, the youth are quite committed in this area, coming from diverse places which are quite different. And during the training, they have really learned and committed to starting businesses.
Penye tumetoka, mostly vijana, tukiwa vijana, wengi wao wamekuwa kwa madrugs, wamekuwa wakitumia pesa zao kwa njia ambayo sio sahihi. Kama mimi mwenyewe, sikuwa na idea yoyote ya kufanya, bali kufika kwa Nyota project kwa training, nikapata idea ya kufuga kuku. Kwa siku ya leo tumeweza kufanya plan, mimi mwenyewe nimefanya plan ya kufuga kuku nyumbani na kuweza kuwa the biggest supplier in the county and the country at large. Na nimeweza kujiona kwamba naweza kujituma na kuweza kufanya kazi zangu na kufanya biashara yangu ikue kubwa.
The many things we have learned, there is a financial plan, there is also the savings plan. Because besides us having that financial plan and also advancing our businesses or do some investments, there is also something called saving. We have been trained also to do some savings, which is something that is very much important. One of the things that I've picked from the lessons is that you don't just save for the sake of it. You save, and then later you have a plan that I'll invest here. This is the amount that is required for me to